Is the crypto market finally breaking out of its slump? While Bitcoin barely moves, a different sector is exploding with gains. NFTs are surging 52% in a single day as Peng just flipped BONK to become Solana's largest meme coin. Meanwhile, Ethereum ETFs are buying up ETH like there's no tomorrow, even as prices drop. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, and today we're diving into what could be the biggest market rotation of 2025. What's going on, crypto family? Alex here from Moonward Capital with your Crypto Pulse Flash Update. If you're new here, we deliver the most actionable crypto intelligence every 12 hours to keep you ahead of the crowd. Today, we're witnessing something remarkable in the crypto markets, a dramatic sector rotation where NFTs and specialized tokens are booming while major cryptocurrencies struggle to find direction. Let's break down exactly what's happening and what it means for your portfolio. The biggest story right now is the absolute explosion in the NFT market. This sector has surged an incredible 52% in just 24 hours, led by blue-chip collections like pudgy penguins, CryptoPunks, and more. But the headline that's breaking Twitter right now? PENGU has officially flipped BONK to become Solana's largest meme coin. Pudgy Penguin's PENGU token has surged to $0.41, reaching a massive $2.6 billion market cap and now sitting at 54 in the overall crypto rankings. That's a 546% gain in just 1 month. What's driving this? The floor price for Pudgy Penguin's NFTs has soared to $63,150, making it the second most valuable NFT collection globally, behind only CryptoPunks. We're seeing a complete renaissance in the NFT space. But here's where things get really interesting. Despite Ethereum dropping 2.57% in the last 24 hours, Ethereum ETFs just recorded their third largest inflow ever at $534 million. These ETFs purchased 58 times more ETH than the network's daily issuance. Let that sink in. We're seeing a 13-day streak of inflows totaling over $4 billion, creating enormous supply pressure. Yet the price is still dropping. This divergence between institutional demand and price action suggests we could see a massive supply squeeze coming as we approach Ethereum's 10th anniversary on July 30th. Looking at the broader market, we're seeing mixed signals across major assets. Bitcoin is basically flat at $119.21, down just 0.09%. XRP is down 8.60% to 3.21. Solana has dropped 5.42% to 191.24. BNB is down 1.15% to 783.63 after hitting an all-time high yesterday. But sector performance tells a completely different story. NFTs up 51.97%, SocialFi up 40.29%, lending up 24.26%, LST up 13.43%. This is a classic sector rotation, where capital flows from one area of the market to another rather than lifting all boats. By the way, have you noticed that market sentiment is still in the greed zone at 69.74 despite these mixed signals? This tells us there's still plenty of capital looking for opportunities. It's just becoming more selective about where it goes. So what does all this mean for your portfolio? First, we're seeing a clear NFT renaissance led by blue-chip collections. If you've been holding quality NFTs through the bear market, your patience is finally being rewarded. Second, the divergence between ETH price and ETF inflows suggests a potential supply squeeze ahead of Ethereum's 10th anniversary. Institutions are accumulating despite price weakness, a classic sign of smart money positioning ahead of a potential move. Third, we may be entering a new phase of this bull market where specialized sectors outperform major assets. This means a more selective approach to allocations could outperform simply holding the big names. If you're navigating this market, here's what to watch. Monitor Peng's momentum as it approaches the psychological 0.05 level. Watch ETH's response to continued ETF inflows ahead of the July 30th anniversary. Keep an eye on NFT floor prices as this sector continues to outperform. With NFTs experiencing their strongest performance since 2021 and ETH ETFs buying massive amounts despite price weakness, are we witnessing a rotation from major assets to NFTs in specific sectors? What's your strategy for navigating this market divergence? Let me know in the comments below. This is Alex from Moonward Capital with your Crypto Pulse Flash Update. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more actionable crypto intelligence every 12 hours. Remember to stay ahead of the crowd. I'll see you in the next update.